Hi boys and girls, welcome back. Well, we're gonna start off today easy as we get our brains ready and warmed up to count again. So we're gonna continue practicing counting items and things up to 10 and getting comfortable knowing what the numbers look like, because we wanna be able to know each number 1 through 10, that when we see the number that you can tell me what it is. And we wanna make sure that we can count things. So we're gonna start simple, we'll practice some easy counting, and then we'll talk about adding one more. So let's start by counting. How many lines do we have? You might not even have to touch and count it. Your brain might know that when you look at it, this is 3, and they wrote the number for us. Yes, so 1, 2, 3. How about now? How many lines are there? Same colors. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they made the shape of a triangle. Okay, how many? I hope you were thinking 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's our number 4. And what if we moved these lines? If we move them, does that change how many we have? No, we just put them in a new position. So we just move them around, just like when you play with blocks or sticks. If you move them, we didn't take any away. So there are still 1, 2, 3, 4. We just put them in the shape of a rectangle. Okay. I know some of you like to play sports, and maybe some of you play soccer. So we have a soccer team here. And it says this is the pre-K soccer team. How many children are on the team? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we have 5 players and they each need their own soccer ball for practice, how many soccer balls do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We want them to be the same. So everybody has their own ball. They would be partners. There's enough balls, 1 for each. They're equal. Okay. But now, there's another friend who wants to join the team. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teammates, and one more makes, how many? What's 1 more than 5? When we give 1 more, we're just counting up like normal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 more makes 6. And we need to do the same thing with the soccer balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more, 6, and then they're equal. Okay, so if we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, here comes somebody else who wants to play. What's 1 more than 6? When we count, what comes next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. So 1 more than 6 is 7, and we need to add 1 more soccer ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sometimes, if we know it's just 1 more, you might not have to count all of the soccer balls. We had 6. What comes after 6? 7. That's 1 more. So you might not have to count all the way from the beginning. And if you do need to count from the beginning, that's okay too. Let's look at some squares. So if we have 1 pink one, and we add 1 more, we get 2. Okay, now what's 1 more than 2? 1, 2, 3, right? 2 and 1 more makes 3. What's 1 more than 3? If we put 1 more here, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that just counting? It is. It's another way just to count 1 more. What's 1 more than 4? If we have 4, now we're going to have 1 more. We have, I hope you said it, 5. What's 1 more than 5? Were you thinking 6? I hope so. So we're going to keep talking about adding 1 more, and that's just like our regular counting. And we're going to just keep working and counting up to 10 and counting in all different ways. I'll give you some practice on Seesaw. Have a good day.